Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another new releases video for our massive drop of all of our Christmas in July kits. So we are currently in our Christmas in July shop event that will run from the 25th of July until the 31st of July. And all of the kits that I will show you today are 20% off, while the rest of the shop is 15 to 10% off. So if you'd like to see our new releases, then make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Okay, so let's get into this kit. So this is not part of the Foxy Fall series. It is, however, very fall themed compared to the kits that I showed you in the last video. So this is in theme, but not part of the series. This is more of a standalone fall collection. I thought that I'd add another collection, so you have a lot to choose from. This is specifically just fall. So let's go ahead and get started with our kit format. If you're new to the shop, you're just watching me right now, then we have several options for our Hobonichi Weeks kits. We have our Hobonichi Weeks Regular, which is this one. We also have our Hobonichi Weeks Essentials, which is only one page. The difference is that this, of course, has more stickers to play with. So for our Hobonichi Weeks Regular kits, we also have printables, by the way, which I don't have any to show you because I don't have a printer yet. So for the Hobonichi Weeks Regular, we have our date cover. Our decorative strip. We have our checklist, individually cut checklist boxes, individually cut blank boxes. We also have our second page, which won't lift. And this one has your bottom bars, your left and right bottom bar, your headers, your script stickers over here. And this one is the All About Them Apples kit, and it's just a celebration of all things apples, because apples just represents fall so well as other things, but this one is apples themed because this collection is called, and I forgot to tell you guys that it is called Apple of My Eye. Okay, and that is the collection. So obviously they're gonna be a little bit on the apple heavy side. Next we have Autumn List, and Autumn List has this wonderful gingham pattern. Oh, it's not gingham, it's just checked. Okay, and it is of a clipboard of things to do daily, and then you have a little recipe here. It says French apple pie. There we go. And it has a list of ingredients. So, and you also have this bowl here where you're like mixing ingredients, or is it a cereal bowl? I don't know. I feel like it can work both ways. Like if you're gonna bake it, if you're into baking, this is a really good kit. I don't have these kinds of kits very often, like cooking kits, because I don't cook very much or at all. Let's face it. Right. Next kit I'm going to show you is called Good Fall. So Good Fall is just a beautiful pattern, very vintage retro feeling once again, and I know that you have seen me go into that route last few collections, especially for book lover. I will link the last plan review video using that kit down below as well if you're interested. And Good Fall comes in several options. You have your A, and then this is B and C. I think you also have D. I'm not so sure. Make sure to check it out at paperjoyph.com. That's where the sale will be and all of these goodies will be. So next we also have Happy Fall. So Happy Fall is a much darker pattern. It is gonna run a little dark on your planner, but if you are into that, this is gonna look really, really good. And these are the boxes that you have. So again, I have B and C for you guys. And it's just a pattern, and then there's a girl there, there's a cut off little bit behind her, so you can see her clearly, and I think that's like a little bit of a modern pop on an otherwise very pattern heavy vintage feel collection. So once again, that's Happy Fall. By the way, the stickers that I have showed you so far are all in matte paper. Next we have Sweetie Pie, and this is the gingham pattern. It's like you're in a picnic and you brought the pie, you have an extra apple there, and you have sweets. So that's why it's called Sweetie Pie. The next kit is a little bit strange, but I feel like it will work. It doesn't have to be fall related, although you do have this What is this called? That's a rake. What's that called? Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow? I'm not sure. Okay, and then you have clothes hanging over here. Okay, it's a little bit kitsch. I know. I mean, why would you do this? But I feel like I'm digging it. I was really digging this, you guys, when I was designing this. I know it's a little bit out there. Okay, so this is called Autumn Winds because it's hanging clothes and it's windy. I know, what was I thinking? But I really love it. I'm really digging it. I hope you guys get this and tell me what you think. Or you can tell me what you think in a comment down below. Next, I have a fashion girl kit as well. And this one is called Fall Reads. So if you saw my freebies video, which I should link down below, but you know, this is going to be a series, so they're all going to be linked in a single playlist. She looks a lot like one of the freebies there, with the slight difference. And these are the two boxes, so it's already really pattern heavy. She's wearing a patterned dress, so I thought I'd just make it blank but with a very strong color, and it works really well. The contrast is just super stunning. This is one of my favorite. I like reading themed kits. I'm really into that right now. And the last thing I'm going to show you today is the decos. And these are the decos that we have for Apple of My Eye. This has a lot of things in it, actually, that's really fall related. And some of them not even fall related. that you can use for every season or all through the autumn season. All right, and that is the deco sheet. So you can have this as an add-on, so you can use decos on your planner, because I don't have decos in the kit. And those are all the kits that we have for today for Apple of My Eye. If you would like to get your hands on this, then make sure to go to paperjoyph.com for our Christmas in July sale. Listings are discounted, and this is 20% off for the duration of the sale. So if you want it, go ahead and grab it right now, because it is the perfect time for that. And that's it for us today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time I have a new video. Also, follow me on my social media. My Instagram and Facebook is both paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!